Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday the 27th of December. Guys, we can add remember the days of the week. Sorry about that. Probably should move this. But anyways, hi guys. I'm currently in Trelawny. I'm visiting my family in Trelawny, so you guys might see them in the vlog throughout this time. So I got here yesterday, and then today we're gonna be here for today. Then we'll leave late in the evening and go to visit one of my other aunts. So yeah, no. So it's just those kind of stuff for the day. So yes, we're having a party, a little surprise party for one of our aunts. So we're currently gonna prepare, decorate and all of that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys outside. Anyways guys, so this is the outfit for today. Well, for the morning. Later on then we'll fix up for the party and something. But yes, I'm gonna get outside and help to decorate, and then I'll see you guys later. My eyelash just this one, like right or so. Just weird. It's not made well. Anyways, bye. Hi, Aki.
Oh my god, what are you doing here?
I didn't think that show good.
Oh my god, let me get the light. Let me get the light. Oh my god.
It's still not show. I like the back of you. You like the behind you now.
Here, mine. Yeah, you see me? Oh my god, hi Jamaica. How are you guys doing? I'm alright.
She dramatic, you see. Yes, this is my dramatic cousin.
I can't say anything. I ain't dramatic, yes. We just flew out from London. We came here to celebrate our aunt. Give me
Oh god, Auntie Sean, hi. Hi. A few days later. Hi guys, good morning. So this is like a continuation of the vlog that started already, so I'm not gonna really anyways, so it is Thursday and we are gonna head out to a pastor's retreat, pastors and families retreat. So yeah, just decided to vlog. Not gonna really vlog that much, but you know, something gonna vlog. But anyways, I want to show you guys my outfit. So I did do the Shein haul for this, pretty much the entire outfit. So I have on the Merry Christmas sweater that I bought from Shein. If you did not see the haul, I link it down below or in the cards, whichever one. Yeah. So yes, that's my shirt that says Merry Christmas, and I'm wearing it with the red biker shorts. And my sister, come back, come back. My sister and I are wearing the same thing. Come, let them see you, sweetie. So we're twinning today. Come post for the thumbnail. Yeah. Alright, so yes, we're wearing the same thing. So this red biker shorts, and then we have on the same socks as those, which I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn on the camera. I'll show them. Hold on. So I got this also from Shein, but pretty much my entire outfit except for the shoes is from Shein. So the socks is from Shein, and I got two of these same socks. So my sister has on one and I have the other. So yes, that's the outfit for the day with my jewelry and all of that. So yes guys, we're gonna head out soon, hopefully, and then you guys will see the rest of this day. Okay, so we have reached the destination. I'm not gonna really vlog that much, but I'll try my best. So anyways, I'm just in the bathroom right now, so I'm gonna go back.
It doesn't matter, walking on the King's Highway. Boys, how you feeling?
We feel fine.
Males, how you feeling?
We feel fine.
Males, how you feeling?
We feel fine.
Walking on the King's Highway.
Girls, how you feeling?
We feel fine.
Girls, how you feeling?
We feel fine.
Girls, how you feeling?
We feel fine. Walking up the King's Highway.
Told me he was in and out of the window like Bluebird. The songwriter reminds us when he pens, I need you to survive. So the song says, I need you, you need me.
Any blue card or a 7 of any other color can play on top of it, right? You can also play multiple numbers. So if you have 3 sevens, you can play them, except you can't be the last 3 numbers in your hand. Yes. No.
No, just selling skin. Color. Oh, I guess. Alright guys, so everything is kind of done right now. We're pack up for leave. Hi mom. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. I think they haven't seen you in a while. Hi. Hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Long time.
What's up? There's a dog.